Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current favorite jewelry pieces for the summer. I wasn't planning on filming this video, but I was pulling out all my jewelry pieces that I wanted to bring with me on vacation when I was packing, and I was like, oh my gosh, I should make a video all about this. So these are the jewelry pieces that I'm bringing on vacation, but they're also my current favorite pieces as well, and they're just perfect for the summer. There's a little bit of neon, so it has some of the trendier pieces in it, and I'm just super excited to share it with you guys. And then I'm just going to pack it up and put it in my suitcase to bring with me on vacation. So I'm going to start off with the jewelry that I'm currently wearing. So the first two things are these earrings. So I recently picked up these diamond earrings from Claire's. They were $10. They're fake diamonds, and I just love wearing them on my second piercing. I did pick up another pair from Claire's because they were having a sale, and I'm bringing them with me on vacation as well. They're just super shiny and sparkly, and I needed a new pair since I lost my other ones. And then of course a big pearl. I think they're so classy looking. And then for my arm candy that I've been wearing a lot, I have been wearing my Katespade watch. I seriously love this watch. I bought this back in high school. It was a little bit of a splurge. It was like $250 I think, but I wear it almost every single day. Then of course some pink Lily and Laura bracelets because 45 days of pink. And then my little David Yurman bracelet. And then on this arm, I just have this Daniel Wellington cuff, which I wear almost every single day, and I'll be bringing these pieces with me, like I mentioned. And then my everyday rings. So this one is a monogram ring from Marley Lily, and then this one is just a little bow ring from Katespade. And then my necklace that I'm currently wearing is from Etsy. I don't think the seller's shop is open anymore, but it just has this little red anchor on the back, and I like to flip it over because the gold is super shiny, and I just think it's such a cute, simple necklace. So the other two watches that I've been loving and I'm also going to be bringing with me are my Daniel Wellington watches. So this is a rose gold Daniel Wellington watch. I love the simplicity of it. The white back is just so pretty. And then I'm also going to be bringing my leather Daniel Wellington watch. This one's my favorite because it has this super cute little heart charm on it, which I just think is the cutest little detail. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm going to be using these Lily Pulitzer little cases to bring my jewelry in. This one's just like a circle one. I used to put makeup in it. And then this one is meant for jewelry, so it has little necklace spots all on the sides, which is so convenient so your necklaces don't get tangled. And then for bracelets that I've been wearing a lot, and I currently have two on, are Lily and Laura bracelets. Bringing these with me, I just think they're so cute. So I have this neon green one, this like orange, pink, and yellow one. This one is one of my favorites. It's called the Party Girl, and it's just like a nice variety of colors. Then this neon yellow one, a neon pink one, and then like a pink, gold and white one, and then a white and gold one. And these will match all of my outfits really well, so I'm super excited to bring this. Then I'm going to be bringing my little friendship bracelet that I made a while ago. I'm also going to be bringing a bunch of thread to make some more as well, but I love how this one turned out and I'm definitely bringing it with me. Then I have been loving my Nautical Notions pearl bracelet. This is so cute because the bows are interchangeable, so I just have the navy bow and it clasps onto your pearls, which I just think pearls are so classy. And then I'm going to be bringing my Lily Pulitzer elephant bracelet. I bought this during the after party sale. Then I just have been loving this really chunky like chain like bracelet. I got this for Christmas from my mom, and I just think it's so pretty. It just adds a nice thickness to your arm candy stack. And the last bracelet that I'm going to be bringing that I've been loving is my little monogram one. If I'm not wearing this cuff, I like to put this on this hand. I like to keep these as like the simple little bracelets. And I pulled out two statement necklaces that I've been loving. This one is super simple. I got this from Sparkle and Whim, and it reminds me of the J. Crew cupcake necklace. I think that's what it's called, but it just has these really sparkly little round fake diamonds on it. I think it's so pretty. It's definitely a statement piece, and I think this will be perfect because I'll be at the beach during July and it's just so sparkly. It really makes any outfit pop. The other statement necklace I'm going to be bringing is this neon green one. I recently picked this up from J. Crew. I just love it. I have a lot of neon, as you guys can tell. I've been loving that for the summer. And then I have a few more little necklaces like this that I've been wearing non-stop. So of course I have to bring my favorite little heart necklace that I got when I was in France. I probably will wear this one the most on the trip because I know it won't tarnish with the water, and I paid like 14 euros in France, and it's like the best quality necklace I've ever bought. Then I'm just going to be bringing my similar necklace that I recently got that has a little heart with my initial on it with a little K. It's so cute, and I have some outfits planned with it. And of course I've been loving my new silver monogram necklace. Would this really be a jewelry favorites without a monogram necklace? This one is seriously so cute and sparkly. And the next necklace is my Kelly nameplate necklace, and I love this one so much. It's so personalized and it's just so special. It reminds me of Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City, how she has a Carrie necklace, and I get a lot of inspiration from the prequel show The Carrie Diaries, so of course I love my Kelly necklace. And then my last necklace is my super simple dainty little initial necklace, and it just has KCM because those are my initials. And I love this one because it's kind of closer to your neck, like a little choker, but it's still very classy looking. So those are all the jewelry pieces, but I also wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite sunglasses that I'll be bringing along with my little sunglass strap. This is a Lily Pulitzer print with my monogram in pink, and these are so nice because you just put them on the back of your sunglasses, and this is so great for like the beach. I always bring them with me, but I'm going to be bringing my Clubmaster sunglasses, which I love, my simple Ray-Ban aviators, and of course my heart eye sunglasses. I just think these are so fun. Those have been my current favorites for accessories. I'm gonna pack them all up. I'm super excited to try and style them and get some cute pictures while I'm at the beach. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. I would love to know what your #1 go-to accessory is, so leave a comment. I do respond back to every single one. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!